If the day goes cold, stay by me. If the road gets rough, stay by me. Your name on my lips like a prayer, I know. One step closer and I lose control. Baby, you fit my life. You fit my life. Baby, you fit my life. You fit my life. Sweet on my tongue, soft in my chest. Baby, you fit my life. You fit my life. Baby, you fit my life. You fit my life. Baby, you fit my life. You fit my life. Come dance close, don't ask why. Baby, you fit my life. You fit my life.
Hey everybody, so this video is not just visionary or imaginary AI-generated clips. I want to make you realize that using Wondershare Filmora 15, you can actually make your today clips, which is 2026, look so futuristic like 25 years from now. For example, this hologram moment right here, which I'm going to show you how you can do it in a moment. Futuristic transitions. While you're in Filmora, under Transitions, you can go under the AI Transition tab, and then you can search transitions like Central Suction Vortex or Digital Transition. These are going to give your whole sequence a nice futuristic feel. You can also check the AI titles if your sequence so require. Now going back to that hologram effect right here. Now for the hologram part right here, we're going to use this type of a clip as an example. You can use Mock a few more under the Effects tab, which is a plugin. But let's say we do not want to use any plugins. Under the Video tab, scroll further down to the Planet Tracking feature. Select Advanced, adjust Accuracy, and from the previous screen, adjust the position to where you want your visuals to appear. Once that is done, do the tracking and drag down whatever the visual thing that you want and link it. Now the hologram effect is not all that you can do in Filmora that can make your clips look futuristic. But as I said earlier, there are a few more AI transitions, AI visual effects, and even AI titles. Download Filmora today and use all these features to go ahead in time until I meet you in the next one. Peace.